Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll be working and styling on this long, gangly, leggy pine. Some of you will know what I plan to do with this. Others will have seen it in the video I did previously. That's where I got the thick gauge wire that I'll be using for this. So yeah, this is now going to be a literati pine. I'm not entirely sure what type it is. I haven't checked my app and taken photographs. But yeah, I think it was made to be a literati, so stick around and see what design I come up with. Right, let's make a start. What we first need for this is Tony's vet tape. So we're literally just going to wrap vet tape up the whole trunk just to protect it from the wire. Let's get some wire on it. Now I've got 3 different sizes here, I think. 2 different sizes. I'm thinking this one, maybe. He's cut it exactly to sort of measurement as well. Nice one, Andy, thank you very much. I've never worked with wire this thick before, so this will be interesting. Right, so that's that wired up. So, right, we're going to give it a big old bend at the bottom. I'm just going to start to remove the needles up here just so I can get some more wire on it. Now I've got some wire that's slightly thinner, quite a lot thinner, and yeah, let's give that a go. I don't think this one will work. I think this is 1 mil. Let's go for the little stuff. Right, there you have it guys. That is my first attempt at a literati. I'll bring you in and show you a closer, and please do let me know in the comments what you think, because honestly I'm not that happy with it. I don't really know what to do. I think I've probably done my best, but yeah, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and as always, don't forget to give me a like, sub and a share, and ding the little bell notification. And in my next video, me and the boy take a quick road trip up the line into England to meet a very close friend of ours who you will all know. So stick around for that, and I'll catch you in the next one.